guys, not sure how to use Pictory AI for free, but before I continue, don't forget to subscribe for my Pictory AI tutorials. So, log into your Pictory account and you have many available tools here. You have the text to video tool. Select your text here and click your video format. Result on your brand and click on generate video. Let's get back here. You have your interview, so you can here add URL and generate a video script from that exact URL. And you have here a video editor, so you can upload a video from your desktop and open the screen editor to edit your video with AI. You have your summarize video tool, so upload a video and summarize with Pictory AI. You have audio to video, upload an audio here and select the language and convert this audio to a video. Pictory AI you have images to video. You can upload some images here and make a video from them with Pictory. We have here for PPT to video, PowerPoint presentation to video. You can add a PowerPoint presentation and cover that video. You have here the record option also. So this is pretty much it, guys. Here on the left side bar, you have the project bar. You break this to find all your projects created here. You have also, you can start from templates, semi-student templates of the video you want to start with, including the text and the captions and subtitles. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if I can